Hello, I am Leo. I'll be guiding you through a demonstration on how to upload, attribute, and publish documents using the SCOC Docs application. For this demonstration, I'm using the SCOC test version. You'll know it by the red bar across the page. Once the production version is released, the application will be available on the main SCOC webpage. When you first visit the landing page, you'll need to log in to access the application. The Login button is in the upper right corner. If you have multiple roles, use the drop-down menu to select the role you want. Let's start with uploading documents. After logging into the new document management system in the SCOC application, go to the contract you want to work with. Use the filters just above the contract list. In the Contract ID search box, type E1PH2. You'll now see the project. Right now, no documents have been uploaded. Click the 0 in the Documents column to go to the Contract Document Details page. If documents had been uploaded earlier, they would appear here. To upload a new document, click the Upload button. There are two ways in which to upload documents. You can select files from File Explorer and drag and drop them into the Choose File box, or you can click on the words Choose Files and search for the files you are wanting to upload. Using the second option, the file ATest Excel 1 was selected. By clicking the Open button, the file is added to the list of files to be uploaded. Note that the system allows you to select up to a maximum of 5 documents at a time. For this demonstration, we'll upload just one file, the Estimate Detail Report. After selecting the file, click Upload New Document. You'll return to the Document Details page. The upload time may vary depending on the file size. Once the upload is complete, the document appears with the status EDMS pending. When documents are uploaded, the document resides in EDMS. Only the document attributes are stored in SCOC Docs. In other words, SCOC Docs acts as an interface with the documents uploaded to EDMS. When any document is first uploaded, the status attribute is set to pending and is ready for attributing. To begin attributing the uploaded document, click on the Edit icon to the far left of the document. Someone with a contributor role will not see the Edit icon. Clicking on the icon brings up the Edit Document Details window. Data in the white boxes can be entered or edited. Boxes with a red asterisk are required data. The gray boxes are pre-populated with project data and cannot be edited. In the top section, use the drop-down filters to help choose the correct subject description. For this example, we'll select Contract Changes from the Group Description drop-down. Next, we'll choose Contingency Supplemental Agreement from the EDMS Description drop-down. Based on those choices, the system fills in the subject description with the form number and event name. You can add extra details to the description if needed. In the lower section, the most of the data comes from PRC. The project ID is required and is already filled in with the lead FPID number. Other fields like exempt document or received date are optional. After you've finished attributing the document, change the EDMSC status to Review. There's also an option called CEI Review, which adds a step to the review process. This is currently used only by District 2. Before closing the window, click Update to save your changes. Clicking Update will return you to the Document Details page. You'll now see the updated attributes, including the last update time and who made the changes. Next, someone with the SCOC Publisher role should review the document. Once everything looks correct, they can set the EDMS status to Published. Now, when we return to the document's details page, we see that the status is set to Published. Once a document is set to publish, only the assigned role of Enhanced Publisher or Administrator can edit the document. For all other SCOC roles, the Edit button will no longer appear next to the document. The Enhanced Publisher and Administrator can place the document back into any lower EDMS status. The Enhanced Publisher can also request that a published document be deleted. Deleting a document at any EDMS status cannot be reversed. Ability to delete documents is summarized in the table, based on the assigned SCOC role. This concludes the demonstration of SCOC Docs. Thank you for watching.